Hello, everyone. Today we're answering the question, is the Chase Freedom Unlimited worth it in 2025? The Chase Freedom Unlimited card gives you 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases and bonus rewards on dining and travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. It has no annual fee, which makes it a great option for everyday spending without extra costs. One of the biggest advantages is its flexible redemption options. You can redeem cash back as statement credits, gift cards, travel, or even transfer points to other Chase Ultimate Rewards cards for higher value. It also offers introductory perks such as 0% APR on purchases or balance transfers in some cases, and it's beginner-friendly for anyone looking to build credit while earning rewards. So if you want a simple, versatile cashback card with no annual fee, Chase Freedom Unlimited is definitely worth considering. If this video helped, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more credit card tips and reviews. Hello, everyone.